Okay guys, so just to start this video off, let me go ahead and just do a quick disclaimer that the nails you see in this video are not my work. She actually went somewhere, a local traditional shop nearby. This is also my cousin. I'll leave her social media in the description box. You all can go and check her out. But anyways, moving on. So what you see me doing is coming in with a straight edge nail clipper, and I'm coming in and I'm trimming down her nails. And also you'll see me looking under the nail to make sure that I'm not like clipping her actual skin, because she has it where her hyponychium is a little bit extended past her nail bed, like so past her nail bed, and so her skin grows a little bit further out. So essentially that's all I'm doing, is shaking to make sure that I don't cut her. And then next in this upcoming clip, you'll see me holding up the drill bit and that I'm going to use. Sorry, I'm saying so much. And basically it's a safety carbide bit, which you can see there, and it's a extra coarse, and I have it linked in the description box down below along with the nail clippers. And so I'm using my Melody Susie drill. I can give you all a review on that if you'd like. Just let me know down below in the comments. So for now, I'm just going to let you watch and see what I'm doing. But essentially all I'm doing, real quick before I go off, is I'm going around the nail. I am pretty much keeping it flat. From the angle you can see, it looks like I'm going up, but I'm really not. I'm just turning the drill. My hand's actually fairly loose. I'm not like holding on to it super like hard or heavy. So that's important, just so you have that range of motion, and so you're not applying too much pressure on the client's nail, because that will cause rings of fire and things like that. But I'm filing it down really thin to make the soak off process as quick as possible. Honestly, your soak off should only take about 15 to 20 minutes tops. If it's taking more than that, you're probably not filing down enough product, or wherever they went to, there was MMA on the nails, and actually she did have MMA on her nails, but because I filed it down so thinly, it still didn't take me that much time, but it did take a little bit longer than what it would if she had went somewhere that uses EMA, which is what I use and what all nail technicians should be using, because it is so illegal to use MMA on nails. Like, just don't. Okay guys, and hopping back on real quick, what you see me doing here is I'm picking out about a couple of clips, soak off clips, and I'll also leave these down below in the description box. They're super inexpensive on AliExpress, so definitely check that out. But you're going to want about, you know, 5 of those for each finger, and then you're going to go ahead and get your cotton balls. I usually take one cotton ball and I rip it in half and I stretch it out, and then I take 100% pure acetone, and I just have it in this bottle right now because I have a big gallon of it. And I go ahead and squirt a little bit on the cotton ball, and then I just take it, put the cotton ball inside the clip and place it on the nail just like I did right there. And you do want to get a paper towel and put it below it just because it can drip a little bit, so definitely do that. And essentially guys, that's all I'm really doing right here. And then once I get all these on, I'm going to let the nails soak, and then you'll see me come back in a few and I'll explain what I'm doing there. Okay guys, so real quick, I'm back, and now we're going in with our cuticle pusher, and essentially I'm really just pushing the product off the nail that's already come up. And like I said before, she did have MMA on her nails, which is why I always require any new client or somebody who comes with me to either come with their nails bare or book a soak off, because, and I was explaining to her right here on this clip, she was asking me was that salon she went to safe, and I was like, no, don't go back there, you know, they aren't using the proper products. And she was like, okay, I probably just won't. And I was like, great. So yeah, but essentially yes, so that's all I'm doing here, just pushing that product down. And where you really see that you can tell it's MMA is on her thumb, because I did have to go back and re-soak that, which I did do that off camera because I also did the other hand, just to minimize the amount of footage I had to go through and edit. So yeah, but you'll be able to see that. And if it's EMA, it should essentially flake up, and it should like puff up. It shouldn't be like sticky and shiny and like holding on to the nail for dear life. Like, it should be ready to come off. It really should not take that long, and you shouldn't have to do that much. And this video is sped up, so if it looks like I'm being rough with the nail, I'm really not. I'm being very gentle because you don't want to disturb the nail and like rough it up and just really mess up her nail. So I definitely was not doing that. I was taking my time going through this. So again, like I said, the video is a little bit sped up. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch this. And at the end, you'll see a clip of what the nails look like after I soak them off. And normally when I do like full soak offs, there's like other steps I do to help protect the client's nails, especially if they're not getting some nails done that day. So, but she did, and that you'll see what's going on with her nails for this particular set in later videos. Like, I have a couple videos from this one video to upload, so you guys definitely stay posted. Definitely subscribe to my YouTube because you'll be able to see more stuff. And yeah, and also my upload schedule, I post about 3 times a week. My goal is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Keep it very simple, sweet, so you always know. And there could be an extra video or 2 in there, depending on, you know, if I just really feel like I need to get you guys' content out. But yeah, so definitely stay tuned and just really subscribe. And if you ever have any videos you want me to do or questions, again, leave it in the comment section. I'll read the comments and I definitely will reply to you guys. I'm going to try my absolute best to. So yeah. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.